Welcome to the effort of me HUAWEI Nova Y90, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Okay, we should swipe to open. Let's just change this feature here in biometrics and password settings. Let's watch it to directly unlock. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature here works so fast, it's worked correct. So I just want to try one more thing here. I want to wear my glasses because I set up my face recognition without glasses here, and now I'll try to unlock the device. After that I'll wear them. So let's just try. So as we can see, that's also worked correct. I'm just scan normal, just unlock the device. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.